Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can create an Amazon wish list from your phone. Okay, in this case I'm using an iPhone 13 Pro, and by the way, to do this you have to have an Amazon account. But if you don't have one right now, feel free to tap on the description box. I have added a link so you can have Amazon Prime free trial for 30 days, okay? So I hope you enjoy that as well. Okay, I'm gonna go to my Amazon app and I'm gonna go to the burger button right here at the right bottom corner, and here I can see 4 buttons. One is order, buy again, account, and lists. So I'm gonna go to tap on the lists button, and here I can create a wish list. Okay, tap on create a wish list and you will add the list name from here, and let's do Joyce YouTube, and I'm gonna tap on create list. From here you can see that already says Joyce YouTube at the top and it says private. So that means that this list is a private list. Nobody can see it but me. Okay, so it has no items right now, and I'm gonna be adding some items. So let's say I want this chair, that by the way is the chair that I have right here, and I will be linking it down below just in case that you like it. So I'm gonna add it here, and let's tap on this product, and once that you're there, it's on sale actually. So let's go and add to wish list. So let's tap on add to wish list. I had to scroll down a little bit, okay? So it asked me to wish list I want to add it. So let's add it to YouTube, Joyce YouTube, and it says added. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to lists and go to my Joyce YouTube, and here it is, my chair. Okay, so now I have created my wish list on my iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.